Basketball is a sport where one team with 5 players on a basketball court attempts to prevent another team with 5 players from shooting the basketball into a basket. They play on 10 feet high. That's regulation for a basketball game.
Aerobic respiration is muscle activity that lasts longer than 40 seconds to make ATP. In activity longer than 10 minutes, the aerobic system will provide 90% of the ATP used. On the other hand, at the end of an endurance event, it will provide 100% of the ATP that your body uses. Glycolysis anaerobic respiration system occurs when ATP creatine runs out and muscle activity continues. ATP is generated from glycolysis, 30 to 40 seconds of maximal muscle activity. ATP plus CP plus glycolysis equals 400-meter race.
2-ball drill is with 2 basketballs dribbling at the same time, alternating, and etc. It's anaerobic because it's not an intense exercise. And I guess this is how you do it right here. Oh yeah, Evan.
Micah is a drill when you switch from one side of the basket to the other, constantly shooting layups. It is an aerobic exercise because you're constantly jumping up and down in little time.
The free throw drill is when you stand at the free throw line and shoot 2 and switch to the next
To bucket.
You constantly shoot free throws. And this is obviously anaerobic because you're not using any energy.
Let's go.
Suicides are when you start from the baseline and run to the opposite baseline and back. The opposite free throw line and back, half court and back, and free throw line and back as quick as possible. It's obviously aerobic because you're using a lot of energy while running the suicide.
Let's go, PJ.
Yeah.
PJ is currently using running sprints, which is the fast twitch muscle fibers. Fast twitch muscle fibers are involved in rapid and powerful muscle contractions. Not much endurance is used. And they also use anaerobic energy pathways to fatigue faster with less blood supply.
This is the soldier stretch. It's an intermediate twitch muscle fiber because it uses both energy systems, anaerobic and aerobic, faster and more powerful than slow twitch aerobic, but rely more on aerobic energy systems because they have more endurance than fast twitch muscles.
Isaiah is doing the knee-high drill stretch, and it's also an intermediate muscle fiber used, but about 70% aerobic to 30% anaerobic. This is the butt kick stretch. It is using about 70% aerobic and 30% anaerobic. It is another intermediate muscle fiber.
It is? I see you, PJ. Let's work. Cape squat. One time? No. Hey!
After a basketball game, you will be fatigued much more than if you ran a mile because in basketball you mostly use fast twitch muscles instead of slow twitch. The next day, the amount of muscle fatigue that you feel depends on what you did after the game. For example, if you do a light jog or stretch after the game, your muscles will be a lot less fatigued than if you just went straight.
Within any sport, you must stay hydrated at all times. We just played basketball, and we're about to stay hydrated.
Alright. Hey!
Bang, bang.
You ready?
Yeah.
Hey!
Bang, bang.
That's easier.
Huh?